We've already shown everything there is to know about general settings. Let's further customize your Facebook feed's appearance from the Style option. To do that, you first have to enable the option. As soon as you do that, you'll see the option to personalize the elements of header, content, like and share button, pagination, and item box. Click on header to get the edit options. From here, you can change the text color and typography of every single one of these elements. If you want to leave a lasting brand impression, this is a great way to do that. So when choosing the text colors, we'll use the accent colors of our brand. We can now move on to typography. Change size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from here. There's even an option to edit the bottom spacing. This can be set differently for different platforms like tablet or mobile. There's another option to play with, box. The background color is universal. If you change it, it'll change for all the platforms. But padding and border can be set individually for different devices. In the content section, you can change the color and typography of almost everything. Again, you can set this across different devices, whether your users are viewing from laptop or desktop or mobile. You can even customize the buttons and boxes. Pick border type, shift the padding, change text color and background color. Keep tweaking until you feel the whole appearance is seamless. You also have the option to change the appearance of the item box from here. Also, check out and fix how the feed is gonna look on different devices. Click on these icons to shift from one device to another and edit accordingly. Save your settings and you're done. Your amazing Facebook content is now gracing your WordPress website. We also have tutorials to add other social media feeds to your website, so do check them out. Links are in description. For more cool WordPress videos, subscribe to WPManageNinja.